Welcome to Bike Lane, your destination for the latest bikes, mini bikes, and off-road machine reviews. Today, we're taking a quick look at the all-new 2027 Coleman CT200U and why this rugged mini bike is getting attention from riders everywhere. Rugged design. The 2027 Coleman CT200U keeps its classic tough look with wide off-road tires, a durable steel frame, and a comfortable riding position. Its aggressive styling makes it perfect for trails, dirt paths, farms, and weekend adventures. Engine and performance. Powering the CT200U is a reliable 196 cubic centimeters engine designed for smooth low-end torque and easy handling. The bike delivers solid performance for beginners and experienced riders alike, offering enough power for trail riding while remaining simple to control. Comfort and handling. The large tires help absorb bumps and rough terrain, giving riders a stable and comfortable experience. The raised handlebars and padded seat improve comfort during longer rides, while the lightweight frame keeps handling easy and fun. Features. The 2027 model includes improved braking performance, upgraded durability, and better fuel efficiency. Its simple pull-start system and low-maintenance design make it a practical option for outdoor riders who want reliability without complexity. Final thoughts. The 2027 Coleman CT200U continues to be a strong choice for riders looking for an affordable and capable off-road mini bike. Whether you're exploring trails or just riding for fun, this machine delivers a great mix of power, comfort, and rugged style. Thanks for watching Bike Lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more bike reviews and updates.